What's up, everybody? The 1B here again with some more video editing. Let's go ahead and start this up. It's for a video. Let's see, it's going to be a video about thumbnail creation. So I created a thumbnail creation for video editing. So I created a thumbnail template for my video editing videos. And so this is going to be the creation. You're going to get to see the creation of that. So this is me video editing that video. That's what I'm doing, is video editing that video. That's what I'm doing today. Not to get confused with video editing a video editing video. I'm actually video editing the actual creation of the thumbnail. Let's click OK. This is going to be 420, 22, 31, 59, 22, 31, 59. Just to double check that. Bam. And then go to video editing, grab my YouTube end screen, bring that down into the project. From the project into the timeline sequence is the actual video. And we are going to go ahead and we are going to get rid of. So since this is a thumbnail creation video, we're going to go ahead and unlink. There's going to be no need for the sync audio. This is the audio. This audio channel is all of these other three in one. So we don't need that one. This one is system audio. There's going to be no system audio for Photoshop, except for a couple, error things, but that doesn't need to be sound off. And then this is the Discord audio, which is unnecessary because I'm not talking to anybody. Then we will select both of those by holding Shift, and we can relink them. And then we will right click on this track here and we will click delete audio tracks, and we want to delete the extra 2 video tracks, empty ones, and we want to delete the extra 3 audio tracks, empty audio tracks. Click OK. Those are now gone. We have those both selected with the I don't ever know the name of this. I'm gonna have to look it up. I'm calling it Scrubber. Since that's at the beginning, we're going to go ahead and we're going to change the audio to 15 here. And that's my audio. And I always say this, it's better to have to turn me down than not to be able to turn me up. Or not be able to hear me. That's what I think that's the saying. It's better to turn me down than not to. It's better to turn me down versus not being able to hear me. That's a better way to say it, and I have to remember that for all the next 750 video editing videos I do. And then let's go ahead and bring in the YouTube end screen, and we're going to go ahead and that's not what I want there. That's weird. Control Z. That's weird. See how it had that end little trailer there, or that little trim signal there. We're going to go ahead and turn that one up since it's selected, and then we're going to go zoom in here so we can make sure and get the right beginning of this video. What's up, the 1B here, and I'm going to be editing another. Just a double check here. Okay. Let's go ahead and zoom in just a little bit more. About here. We're going to hit Control K to split. We're going to select this part. Hold Shift, delete. This will ripple delete, which pulls this part of the project forward and then pulls this one forward as well. Then we're going to want to look at the end stuff. Hopefully it's helpful to you. Yeah. Keep your eye out for those, and I will talk to you later. Peace. And right there, we will Control K. We are going to select the back end on that. we're going to hold Shift, delete, and it pulls, as you see, it pulled it forward. That's that. Control S to save. Control M to bring up the export media. Click on this to rename the file. Make sure you're in the right folder, otherwise you get confused, as I admit I do anyway, even when I am organizing correctly. Thumbnail creation for video editing. And we're going to save, and we are going to queue. Going to bring up Adobe Media Encoder. Go. And once I click this green Start Queue button, it's going to start the encoding and rendering process for the video. That usually, for me, takes between 5 to 20 minutes, but that depends on your specs on your computer and the length of the video and the quality of the video. Yeah, so I don't record that part, but hopefully you go and watch another one of my videos, and I'm going to hit this button and stop the recording here. So I will talk to you later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.